First of all, I'm going to explain the tools that you're going to need. Be nice to have a little power tool, 1/4 inch drive with a number 2 bit. These are your mounting anchors for it. I've already have one installed on the wall. You need a 1/8 inch short head Allen wrench. This is part of your ring for the installation kit that will go on the other side of this panel here. A pair of wire cutters, and this was left off so I can show you how to put this one on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all 10 screws using your gun and your number 2 bit. Side, 2 here. Now for the final 2 screws, you have to come underneath here using a short Allen wrench. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the lid. Set that up to the side. Flip it over, it'll remove 4 screws. Alright, remove the lid. And you're left with this. Alright. You should have your installation rod located here, which is going to fit here. But before we do that, we need to put the second anchor. We'll take this. Between here and here is 5 inches. Starter hole. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Clean it up just a little bit. You take your ring. So you'll have your level. Make sure it's level. Grab it there. Sorry. Oh, there's your mounting screws. Give me that. You got it?
Yeah.
Just imagine if you had to film literally everything you ever did at your house.
Look it up. It's still level. That's a good thing. Now, remount
Okay.
Bring out your plate. Try to get all this strapped on. It was attached. Oh, try to. Okay. Got your ground wires. So, that's your ground to ground. Like so. Lock it like so.
Yeah,
The wire goes behind your plate. That way everything fits.
on this, come here. The wiring comes out of the left side, so you have to put it in the left side hole and move it over to the other side. And that way it doesn't squeeze the wiring behind it.
This first one started here. Place your 10 screws. Stuff at the top here. Actually, that's 6. Whatchamacallit, it has a longer one, twice as long. You crank up the voltage?
Yeah, it's cool. It's like little lightning bolts going up.